What's up guys, I'm DJ Avionics. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I recommend subscribing to my channel so you can stay up to date with this type of content and other cool videos that I make. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 tips for Animal Crossing New Horizons for the Nintendo Switch. Alright, well let's get into it. Starting off with tip number 5. So this first tip I didn't discover until 3 days into the game, and I discovered it by accident. You can actually get around the island faster by sprinting by holding down the B button. It's kind of weird how the two raccoon twins or their dad Tom Nook don't give you a complete tutorial on gameplay and controls. You can also swim around quicker by holding down the A button. Tip number 4. If you're trying to make some quick bucks as a noob to the game, your native fruit, whatever it be on your island, costs 100 bells each. Compared to capturing bugs and fish, fruit is easier to find and there's a lot more of it around the island. Plus, using your tools will cause wear and tear, so go ahead and loot all your fruit trees on your island. You'll be able to spend bells faster and quicker or pay off your first home loan this way. Tip number 3. Something I didn't realize off the bat is that in the resident services tent, you can select multiple items when selling to the raccoon twins. All you gotta do is move your cursor to each item and hit A to select each item. The item will get highlighted with a yellow circle around it, letting you know you've selected it. When you've selected everything you want to sell, hit the plus button and the twins will add up all the bells and then will proceed to pay you. Tip number 2. You can gain super strength when you've eaten some fruit. Fruit are in abundance throughout the entire game. When you eat a fruit, your fruit counter goes up 1. With the shovel, you can dig up an entire tree, regardless of its maturity, and plant it elsewhere at will. You can literally redesign the island if you'd like. With the shovel or axe, you can destroy rocks completely. I suggest doing this on a different island though, as you wouldn't want to do this on your own island if you're trying to farm iron nuggets or even dig up gold nuggets, because it takes time for the rock formations to respawn. When you dig something up, your fruit counter goes down 1 number. When the counter goes back to 0, simply eat more fruit to regain your super strength. How, may you ask, can one get rid of the fruit you've eaten? By pooping. Yes, you can empty your bowels or fruit counter by taking a massive dump in a toilet. If you don't have one, you can poop in another villager's commode, if they have one, or over time the fruit counter will go down on its own. And my number 1 tip is best when you have at least 10,000 bells on hand. When you see a glowing crack in the ground, dig it up to find a bag of 1,000 bells. After you've collected your bells, press the X button to access your inventory and cursor over to your bells counter. Press the A button and create a bag of 10,000 bells. Then bury the bag of 10,000 bells into the glowing hole. Check up on this tree about 5 to 6 days later and you'll be able to shake the tree of bell bags totaling 30,000 bells. Don't bury more than 10,000 bells though, as this is the maximum amount needed to get the maximum amount the bell tree will give you of 30,000 bells. So these are my top 5 tips for beginners for Animal Crossing New Horizons for the Nintendo Switch. Once again, for more content like this and other videos, please hit that subscribe button, leave any comments or questions down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Share the video, and please don't forget to hit that like button as well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.